Hey guys, check out these really cool bento boxes. I love these bento boxes because a lot of times when you buy them, they're long. These ones are really cool because they're stackable. I love the bold colors like this, the bright yellow, they have pink, they have so many different colors to choose from that are just solid. And they also have these really fun ones here that have different designs on it. I just love how detailed this one is right here that we got. So what else is really cool, whenever you go to use these, they have just like a band, which is such a cool touch, and it just hooks right on the top and it wraps around the bottom, and that's what keeps all the pieces together. So right here I have this one packed, so I'm going to show you here. So on top you have a nice cool thing that just has all the utensils. This is my kid's favorite part. So he loves to go on sushi dates with me. So it comes with little chopsticks, which he loves, and you just put them together and they're like a full-size chopstick. How cool is that? So that's a really cool touch. And then you have your spoon, your fork, a nice little spot to keep it all together. And these do have little vents on them, so that's nice. So once you pack it, you can go ahead and shut the vent. You know it's going to stay nice and fresh. The air is not going to go in. And then when you open up, there's a lip on the side that you just go ahead and pull. So it has another container inside. This one's great. Right now I have blueberries in them for my son, just easy for him. This is great for if you have any kind of dips or anything like that. You can keep that in, ketchup. So that's cool. And I got some little crackers. This spot's big enough you can keep a sandwich or wrap, like your main meal that you would be having. This spot's big enough for that one. So you have that part. And then underneath there's another spot. Same thing. Go ahead and open it up. And this one's nice because it has a removable divider. So if you do want like a salad or something larger, you can go ahead and put that in. Or if you choose to divide it up, you can stick that in so then nothing mixes together. These are so nice. I love how convenient they are. I love how they aren't long. So if you do need to stick them in your purse or something like that, or your diaper bag, it's a really good option for that because they are stackable. I love that if you do have, if you're taking 2 kids with you, each could have like their own section, which is really nice. So you can pack everything together all at once. So like I said, this is super cool. I love how just different it is. I love how the utensils come with it. It's all in one. I don't have to worry about forgetting anything because it comes all together. And it has so many different colors to choose from. So whether you're looking for something just to take to work with you for a lunch, to pack for your kids for the park, pack a snack for them, or for a picnic, these are a great option. Thanks for watching.